Start.
Welcome back, YouTube, to Cozy Welds, another episode. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Hobart welding handler 140 flux core MIG welder. Get started. And my gun, my welding gun. Super excited. Welding wire, the clamps, the gas gauges. Gas. Woo! This is what it looks like right here. Woo! Thanks, Beth. Taking off the weld tip, 0.030. That's what it came with. For my flux core wire, 0.030. Cool, look, they even gave me one of these things for the gauges. You know how I look into YouTube all the time or Google? Now I have one of my own. Thanks, Hobart. Appreciate it. Alright. See what we got here. Let's open it. Oh, that's cool. Just look at the instructions. I'm gonna open this up. Let it loose already tighty. So this will go all the way in. You see right here? You need it all the way in. You see that? It was out. You want it all the way in. Tighten that motherfucker. I mean, then you screw it back on. This was the only thing that confused me. Similarities is not important, so okay. Okay. Alright, now we got the gun going. Let's set up the clamp, which is the ground. What I have to do here is just, I'm gonna put this up in here so I can hold it in there. So go like this, and put the safety on it. and tighten it up. ground setup and our gun setup. I'll show you how to set up the gun. So we take that off, right? Put the welding tape that came with it. Well, let's wait on that because let's put the wire in there. Now, because then we're gonna have to take it off and put it back on. All right, so now that we got our wire in there, go ahead and put the washer, the spring. Then we put the nut. That's fine right there. I'm gonna loosen it up a bit so it could have some. You wanna be really careful though. Yeah, a little more. That's fine. You want to speed up the wire speed. Make sure you close this. You got it in there. It's good. This is the reason why we didn't put in the tip just yet. Keep on following. It's coming in. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's better if you extend it that way. It doesn't have, time to be fighting. You see, boom, now I got here. Now what I'm gonna do is, now I'm gonna put the welding tip in there.
Okay.
All right. I put that. All right. And then, on my wire cutters, you ready to go.